crispy air fryer patatas bravas with a quick salsa brava and garlic aioli. I had this whilst I was in Marbella and I fell in love. Now first up, you're going to need around about 400 grams of potatoes. Maris pipers are pretty good. You want a little bit of salt and then you want to parboil them for around about 5 to 10 minutes, then take them off the heat. But let's have a look at making the quick salsa brava. There are lots of options of doing this. So 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a good sprinkling of sea salt. Now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, but you can add some chilli powder if you wish, and then a really good sprinkling of hot paprika, along with 1 very chunky garlic clove and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. You want to mix that together until it is smooth. Now there are many ways of doing this. In fact, the Spanish tend to even use stock and reduce it down, but this is the quick way, and even my Spanish friend said they can argue about it forever, but this is her quick method. Now for the garlic aioli, that's 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, along with a good sprinkling of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Along with the garlic, now you go as heavy with this as you like, but I went for about 3. Anyway, you stir all that round until it is nice and smooth. Now that's the sauces dealt with. Now for the potatoes, I'm going to be using my air fryer because it gives really good results. And I've just sprinkled them with a little salt and of course some olive oil. Put it onto 200 degrees for around about 30 to 35 minutes. Now just give them a little stir every now and again so that they all get crunchy. Now to assemble, pop it in a bowl, put over that salsa brava and then dip the garlic aioli in. This patatas bravas is great as a summer side.